Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.